Alright, okay class, so we continue with another second method that we will learn in this chapter. RK2 method, or in long term we call it as Runge, Kutta second order method. Okay, RK2 lah. In short, I just write RK2 that, and then hopefully you understand it. Okay, for your information, Runge Kutta, they have another one method, another type. Can we call type? Another one lah. Okay. This is RK2, right? That you will learn is RK2. They have another one which is RK4, Runge Kutta fourth order. Okay, but that one we not cover in your syllabus lah. For differential equation, we just cover Runge Kutta second order. But if you are taking, or maybe you want to know about the Runge Kutta, you may you can find in Google. I think mesti ada, confirm lah ada kan. Tapi untuk just for your information also, Runge Kutta fourth order, if you are taking numerical method, numerical method ni subjek yang dulu lah, masa previous batch dia ada satu subjek numerical method itself, so that one akan ada lah RK4. Okay, but for you, for our syllabus, you just learn RK2. Okay, Runge Kutta second order. Okay, so we proceed to the formula for RK2 is given by yi plus 1, or maybe you can use n. Okay, sama nak macam tadi kan, for the Euler's we use n, right? So why not we use the same. Okay, okay, so this is the formula. So you can see this is y, so I think y is no problem for you because I already explained it in Euler's. H also, h is step size. Okay, it will be the same meaning like the previous method, which is h means step size. And you can see that they have an extra thing here are K1 and K2. Okay, where is K1 is equal to F, X, and Y, N. And K2 is equal to F, X, N plus 3 over 4 H. Comma means the another coordinate lah. Okay, this is X and this is Y. So YN plus 3 over 4 K1 H. Okay. So kalau tengok asalnya ni je formula dia, tapi K1 you need to find out this one, and K2 you need to find out. So means that when you solve Runge Kutta, you need to find your K1 and K2 first. Okay, dua ni dulu, then baru you substitute inside here, then you are baru you boleh solve lah Y and U apa. Okay, alright, so this is the formula. Okay, Xn plus 3 over 4H, Yn plus 3 over 4 K1H. Okay, one more thing that I want to highlight here, class. This is K1, right? To find K2, you need to know your K1. So, class, if your K1 is wrong, for example, you calculate and then you do a careless mistake there, so you will get this wrong answer, of course lah, for K1. Then you substitute your K1 into here, and obviously your K2 also will be wrong. Okay, sebab K1 dah salah, K2 pun akan salah. Then after that you will substitute here, your Yn also will be wrong. So careful, careful, jangan cuai. Please avoid careless mistake. Okay, because numerical memang dia macam ni, dia akan affect all. Okay, it will affect all. Okay, so I will give you example, or I will show you the example here. Okay, class. So this is a question. Use the RK2 method to solve the following initial value problem. Y prime equal to x plus y. So Okay, tadi kalau you still remember the previous example is dy dx, right? So actually dy dx and y prime is the same. Okay, dia membawa maksud yang sama. Okay, it's the same meaning lah. Is still differentiation. Okay, y prime equal to x plus y, and given to you y0, 1. So what does it mean? Okay, this is your initial condition class. So this is your initial condition. It means that your x naught is equal to 0 and your y naught is equal to 1. So this is how we interpret this sentence or this equation. Okay, then you're using h 0.1 from 0.1 until 0.2. So that's mean kalau you boleh tengok kat sini, just one iteration lah. Okay, from x1, from 0.1 with the h 0.1. Bila you tambahkan 0.2, you akan 0.1, you akan dapat 0.2. So means that you just do it one iteration only. Okay, so okay, for example, okay, we want to find x1 because we have x0, y0 already, right? So we want to find x1. So x1, okay, we do the same thing like the previous method that I show you. So means that x is the step size plus with the previous x. So your x0 is 0 and your step size is 0.1. So they have 0.1. Okay, so your x1 is 0.1. Okay, I think kalau for those yang dah, I mean if you confident and you understand, so I think you don't need to write this one. Okay, you just macam saya cakap lah, just macam okay, congak dalam kepala terus 0.1, 0.1, macam tu kan. So no need to write lah this one. Okay, alright, so now to find y1, right? To find y1 you need to find your k1 first, yet. Okay, untuk dapatkan y you kena cari k1 dan k2. So we start with k1. So k1 f x naught y naught. Okay, so this one will be your x naught is 0, your y naught here is 1. So and then what we do is 0, 1 you masukkan dalam equation ni, 0, 1. So x is represent for 0 represent x and 1 represent y. So therefore 0 plus 1, so the answer will be 1. Okay, next we want to find k2. So k2, the formula here is 0 plus 3 over 4. This is x naught, okay, x naught. Times with h, okay, and then 1, your y naught, plus 3 over 4 times with your k1. Your k1 is 1, and then times with your h. Okay, so you fill up, you ni dulu, 3.4. So you'll be 0.075. Kalau you nak buat fraction pun boleh, tapi I think better, so if you get a fixed point, so you just write the decimal point lah. Okay, and then this one also the same thing, so 1.075. Okay, then you do the same thing, which is you substitute x with 0.075 and y 1.075 into this equation. Therefore you will get the answer is 1.15 for k2. Okay, so this is your k2. Then baru you masukkan dekat equation y. So y1, so it's mean y naught plus bla 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 kan. Okay, apa tadi equation dia? Y naught plus 1 over 3 k1, your k1 is 1, plus 2 over 3 k2, 1.15. Okay, so y naught just now is 1. So you total up this one, so you will get 1.11. So this is your y1. So means that your x1 is 0.1, your y1 equal to 1.11. Then you do another one iteration. Another one. Okay, salah. Okay, another one iteration is x2. Okay, x2 means 0.2. So you do it the same thing. Okay, you do it k1, and then you find your k2, and then you find your y2. Okay, so k1 is f. This one will be your x1 and y1 lah pula. Okay, because you already get this value just now, right? So we substitute the value for the latest lah, the latest value that you have. So x1 is 0.1, your y1 is 1.11. So you will get your answer here. So you do it the same thing. So f 0.1 plus 3 over 4. Okay, kat sini jawapan dia apa? 1.1. Okay, then your h 0.1, and then comma 1.11 plus 1.2. 3 over 4 first, okay, and then 1.2, and then with the h. Okay, and then you will get the answer, what is it, and after that you will, okay, saya tulis jawapan ni lah, 75. So the last one is 1.11 plus 1.11 plus, okay, 1 over 3, 1.21 plus 2 over 3, 1.37575. Therefore, okay, don't forget to multiply with your h. Okay, therefore your answer will be 1.24205. Okay. Okay, I just copy the answer from the textbook. So you may try. Okay, you may try, and then you check with the textbook or textbook lah, sebab jawapannya sama juga. Okay, class. So that's it. So kalau you extra, you put here. Therefore, your x1 tadi apa? x1 0.1, and then y1 is 1.11, and your x2 is 0.2, your y2 is 1.24205. Then, so you can see that x1, x2. So you already done all the value of x that we want. Okay, kita nak cuma 0.2, 0.1 dan 0.2 saja kan. So they have just 2 lah. Let's say kalau soalan asal tadi dia extend to 0.3. Okay, let's say lah dia extend by 0.3. So you need to undo another one more iteration. Okay, class. So I think that's all for this chapter. Okay, because I think this chapter memang numerical is quite easy lah compare differential equation itself. Kena ingat kena macam ni. Kita punya subjek ni adalah, khusus yang kita ni adalah BMCG 1013 is differential equation. But like I said before, ada changes, ada pemurnian dari segi subjek syllabus semua. So kita embedded ataupun you mesti embedded kan a few subject numerical into this subject. So that's why you can see that this chapter actually is not differential equation, it's a numerical method actually. Okay, and numerical method, yes, numerical method is quite I think, bukan nak kata quite lah, dia macam memang senang compare to differential equation. Saya bukan nak takut-takutkan, tapi nanti later mungkin masuk chapter 2 nanti you tak rasa sangat susah lagi, still okay.